Today, I'm going to be showing you one of the most beginner-friendly ways to buy Salary Coin or any other meme coin using the Phantom Wallet. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go into the App Store and download Phantom Wallet. It should look like this. After installing and opening Phantom, you'll be asked to create your wallet using either an email or a seed phrase. I recommend that you use a seed phrase as it's more secure, but there's a couple things you'll need to keep in mind when using a seed phrase. You're going to want to write down the 12-word code. Keep this in someplace secure, maybe write it down, put it in a safe or a lockbox or something, because this essentially will give you access to your wallet if you ever lose your phone or your account. When you're in the Phantom app, you should see a screen that looks something like this. I was provided the option to buy Sol right at the top of the screen, but if you don't see this option, you can go into the search bar and search for Solana. As you can see, Phantom Wallet will provide you with various payment methods. Additionally, if you already have access to a centralized exchange, it could be more streamlined to fund your wallet through your centralized exchange. Once you've funded your wallet with Solana, you're going to want to search for salary using the search bar in Phantom Wallet. Once you've found Salary's profile, you should make sure that the contact address is correct. After verifying the contact address to make sure you are buying the right coin, you can then go and swap your Solana for Salary Coin. Now that you've purchased Salary Coin, you can tell everyone you know that you've given yourself a raise.